All right, today I'm going to show you how to upload your photos for your map to Google Classroom. So I'm just filming this on my phone. Sorry if it's a little janky, but we're just going to do the best we can. All right, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to googleclassroom.com. All you have to do is type in classroom.google.com. So it just popped up for me. And it's going to take you to this page. So what you're going to do, so for me, it's just showing all of my classes that I teach. For you, it should show you any classes that use Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on 8A. But all of the pages should look pretty much the same. You're going to see that there's two assignments. One is new assignment, photos for maps and infographics, and that's the one that you're going to want to click on. So for me, again, as a teacher, it's going to show that like who submitted everything and who hasn't. For you, it's going to look a little different. It's going to give you an option to upload an assignment. If you click on these three little buttons here, that should be where you can go to upload an assignment or upload a document. So I can't really show you that right now, but hopefully that's something you can figure out. But what you're going to do next is you're going to open a new tab. In that new tab, you're going to go to your drive. So drive.google.com. So this is the URL right up here. Okay, so over here, you're going to want to click New and Google Docs. The first thing you want to do before you even add any photos is you're going to write your name, and then photos for map. Okay. If you're in 8th grade and you are creating an infographic and you need photos, obviously that is what you would write there instead of map. Here at the top then, you're going to please make sure to write your name, and as you see, so just to clarify, I double clicked here and this turns into a header. You want to type it here and not in the body. The reason is because that way, when you type it as a header, it's going to show up on every page. So that way, if you have multiple pages of photos, your name will be on every page. So then the other thing I'd like you to do is also type the class that you're in, okay? So now it's time for me to find my photos. Open a new tab. And like I said, my project is on Mexican punk bands. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search one of the bands that's from my notes that I'd like to add to my map. And that band is Massacre. Oops. See 8 photos. From there, I'm going to choose an image. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on copy image. Now, here's the part where it can be tricky. So when I paste this in here, I need to make sure that I click Control, I hold it down, and I click V. And when I do that, that's a shortcut to copy and paste. For some reason on Google Docs, if I tried to right click and go to paste, it worked on my computer, but oftentimes I'm noticing on your computers, it doesn't work. Okay, so if it's not working, just a reminder, you just click Control V and that'll paste it. At that point, you want to make sure that your picture is the right size for your map. So most of you have pretty small maps. So your photos shouldn't be like this big, right? Because that's going to be half a sheet of paper. That's going to be, if your map fits on the sheet of paper, that's going to take up half your map. So to shrink an image, first you want to select the image. So you click on it, left click, and then you're going to see there's these dots that appear over here. You're going to click on that, hold it down, and then drag up. Okay. And so I know for me, I'm using an actual mouse. If you're using your fingers, you click on the corner and then you drag with your fingers. You hold down the click while you drag. So you're gonna see that here it's doing this while my finger is doing this. Okay? All right, and so then once you have all your images on this page, you're gonna double check that you've titled it correctly, that you have your name as a header, and that you have all the pictures you want and that they're the correct size. And then after that, you'll go back over to your Google Classroom tab and you're going to upload your picture. Again, I wish I could show you on my account. I can't because I'm signed in as a teacher. But if you need help, obviously you can always ask or email me if you need to. All right, I hope that helps.